towards the middle, and just gently sit into your harness, and then just dangle your feet over the edge. Nice one. Nice one. Alright, man, we're going to give a wave to you can with the bungee deck right in front of us. Right, so if you lean right back into your harness, lean right back, keep going, keep going, keep going. Alright, 3, 2, 1.
Wow! Wow!
And just gently sit into your harness and dangle your feet over the edge. If you stay sat up for me as well.
Yeah.
A surprise or a countdown?
I would like a countdown,
okay,
please.
3, 2, 1.